since the petitioner claims that the existing Mutawalli, namely Sayyid Arif Qadri, having become old, and the family having been decided to appoint the petitioner as Mutawalli of Dargah Hazrat Sayyid Ahmad Qadri Bukhari Sahib RH, situated at Kasal village, Narsapur Taluk. This notice of the that the petitioner should be directed to implead Sayyid Arif Qadri, through whom, as a party respondent to the present petition, through whom petitioner is claiming uh, to 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 whom Qadri, who is stated to be succeeded by the petitioner as Mutawalli. कब बाद में मैडम 3 हफ्ते के बाद आफ्टर वेकेशन टेक स्टेप लिस्ट आफ्टर वेकेशन yes
I beg to please your lordships. Lordships, I am seeking divine intervention of your lordships in this particular writ petition, my lords. I am running a coffee shop come hookah parlor, my lords.
coffee shop, don't hookah parlor.
Yes,
no
both
hookah
my
parlor.
lords. My lord's humble submission is I have that.
Did you read that judgment last time I told
Yes,
you?
my lords. Yes. Yeah,
B. Bharati and others versus State of Karnataka.
Lordships,
Did
yes.
you read?
Yes, lordships. This honorable court also.
One session of hookah is how many cigarettes?
True, my lords. My lords, one humble submission I want
to
to
make. Finding
True,
given
my
in
lords.
that
Yes,
judgment?
I agreed, my lords. But that's why I have annexed the fruit flavors, my lords. I am only using, my lords.
Smoke नहीं आता क्या हुक्का में?
True, my lords. Yes,
fruit है तो क्या?
Yes, lordships.
सोप में भी आजकल पियर्स में तो ये फ्रूट आ रहा है तो that doesn't mean that you are applying fruit. Ultimately हुक्का में दुआ तो निकलता.
Yes, lordships.
निकलता ना?
Oh, agreed, your lords.
That is the flavor.
Your lordships.
Not cigarettes are not new. Cigarettes, if you see,
lordships.
There used to be called a cigarette called mint.
Yes, your lordship.
उसमें भी that
yes,
is only a flavor. Yes, merely because you add flavor, vegetable flavor,
fruit, yes, yes.
Fruit flavors, that doesn't make it a fruit.
Lordships.
That doesn't make it a fruit.
Lordships.
Correct?
Yes, your lordships. One humble submission, my lords.
ఏం చేసిండ్రు లెజిస్లేషన్ లో పెట్టిండ్రు యాక్ట్ ఏమైంది ఇంకా ఏం చేస్తున్నారు మరి కర్ణాటక హైకోర్టు జడ్జ్మెంట్ చదివినరా ఆర్ భారతి అండ్ అదర్స్ వర్సెస్ స్టేట్ ఆఫ్ కర్ణాటక
Lordships. It's not yet taken the shape of the act, my lords, not yet issued in the gazette, my lords. That's my humble submission.
Smoking is prohibited.
True, my lords.
So therefore, restaurant, you say,
yes,
sir, I will stop coffee business. It is not a public place. Restaurant is a public place.
Yes, your
Smoking in public place is prohibited or not?
But there's an exemption if it's above 30 people capacity, there has to be a separate lounge, my lords.
No, that's what I'm saying.
I'm maintaining that
not
rule,
lounge,
my lords.
Permission.
Lordships.
Where is that hookah bar? Who has granted you permission?
Lordships, as on date, it is not an act, my lords. That is my humble submission before your lordships.
Can you smoke? Can somebody smoke in the High Court?
Not at all. It's prohibited, my lords. I agree, my lords.
So once it is
Section 4 of HOKAH Act, my lords.
No, coffee shop is a public place.
But there is an exemption in the very same section for 30 plus people, my lords.
Where is your permission?
For 30 plus people, it's not. There's an exemption in the act itself, HOKAH Act of Central Act, my lords.
1 second. What is the area you are having for your
1500 square feet, your lordships.
How many people will be accommodated?
Almost 50 plus, my lords.
After leaving your kitchen, everything.
Almost 40 to 50, my lords.
Almost.
I have lordships.
Even one less also.
Lordships.
No, this thing.
For food section is separate and smoking is on terrace, my lords. Yes, lordships.
Environment को और pollution कर रहे.
Yes, your lordships.
Why do you think that they suggest closed enclosure?
Lordships.
So that I don't become passive smoker.
Oh, your lords. Yes.
I don't become passive. I am not a smoker.
Oh,
I do not know about Deepak Mishra. He wants to become a passive smoker. I do not know. Rapol Bhaskar, I do not know. Hey, Bhaskar, నువ్వు దాపావా సిగరెట్ కిన చూడు ఎవరు తాగారు నువ్వు తాగి గాలి వదిలినావు అనుకో వాళ్ళంతా passive smokers అవుతారు.
Apologies. Lordships, like the respondents have unofficially seized my premises and all these things, my lords. And harassing me, my lords.
Charge sheet file, lords. 3 FIRs registered against him, lords.
దేనికి ఏం అఫెన్సెస్?
Crime number 1019 of 2024.
Crime number
1019
of
2024, lords.
2024.
Yes, lords.
Dated
4/12/2024.
4/12/2024.
Lokadalat in admitted in Lokadalat, Lord.
She admitted.
Yes, Lord.
My lords, humble submission, my lords. This is a 24/3/25 FIR, my lords,
One
that has
second.
been lodged against me. All that I'm begging your lordships
No,
is
1 second.
lordships.
He admitted his guilt in before Lok Adalat.
Yes, Lord.
Ah.
And crime number 43 of 2025, Lord.
Crime number 43 of 2025. For what offense?
Same offense, Lordship. He admitted in Lokadalat, Lordship.
ఇది కూడా
Yes, Lord.
ఇది ఎప్పుడు లోక్ అదాలత్ ఇది ఎప్పుడు
3/3/2025. 3/3/2025.
3/3/2025 he the registered.
Yes.
Admitted ఎప్పుడు?
Admitted in 3/3, Lordship.
క్రైమ్ ఎప్పుడు రిజిస్టర్ అయింది? 43 of 2025 ఎప్పుడు రిజిస్టర్ అయింది?
I will submit, Lord.
ఒక్క నిమిషం. अरे बोलो भाई तुमको मालूम है ना तुम्हारा ऊपर केस कब लगा? 43.
Lordships have been instructed that this is the FIR that has been registered on 24/3/25, your lordships.
24 तो तुम 3
Yes,
3
your
को
lords.
कैसा
This
लोक
present one, my
अदालत
lords.
में-
Yes.
16/1/2025.
Huh?
16/1/2025.
16/1
2025.
2025. ఇంకో కేసు చెప్పు.
Crime number 280 of 2025, Lord.
Crime number 280
Yes, Lord.
of 2025 dated
24/3/2025.
24/3/2025.
Charge sheet file, Lordship.
Charge sheet filed.
Inward number
1 second. Inward number
3328
3328 of
2025, Lordship.
2025.
On 15/4/2025.
My lords, one humble, respectful submission,
बोलो,
last
बोलो,
submission,
सुनते
your
रहिए,
lordships.
क्या है?
Lordships have passed an order on
At least
23.
we are not emitting smoke, no?
Oh, obliged, my lords. My lords, I'm just humbly, there is a covered matter of batch petitions of this honorable court, and the lordships have quoted the same and disposed of. I may be given the same.
No.
I will withdraw, my lords.
Huh?
I will withdraw with liberty. I'm begging your lordships.
What? You want to withdraw? You withdraw.
But only one humble.
No request. The same, no withdraw.
Obliged,
withdraw.
my lords, obliged.
Withdraw will not come with a conditional withdrawal.
Obliged, my lords, deeply obliged.
When
I am deeply
after
obliged.
making initial submission, counsel for petitioner on the learned GP informing the court that a charge sheet has been filed in crime number 280 of 2025 dated 24/3/2025 on 15/4/2025 by the inward number 3328 of 20 before the concerned court. Concerned magistrate, learned counsel for the petitioner seeks permission of the court to withdraw the writ petition with liberty to approach authorities and obtain necessary permissions.
Deeply obliged.
Necessary permission in order to commence business. Granting liberty, writ petition is dismissed as withdrawn. Yes. Yes, Bhaskar, cheppu త్వరగా. Civil disputes. అరే forcing you to register a sale deed అంతేనా?
Seventh respondent lodged the complaint, Lordship. Civil nature closed the complaint.
నెంబర్ చెప్పు. కంప్లైంట్ డేట్
Complaint date 9/3/2025, Lordship.
9/3/2025.
2025.
Closed on
31/3/2025.
31/3/2025. Civil in nature.
Yes, Lordship. Notice tendered 4/4.
ఈయనకెందుకే నోటీస్ వాళ్ళకి పోయింది కదా, వాళ్ళు రాకుంటే అప్పుడు చెప్దాం. టిఎంఎస్ఆ పోస్టా?
Post
రిజిస్టర్ పోస్టా?
Yes, Lord.
కంప్లైనెంట్ R7.
Yes, Lord.
అమ్మా ఫ్రెండ్ heard counsel for the petitioner GP Home appearing for respondents 1 to 5 1 to 6 and with the consent of counsel the petition is taken up for hearing and disposal at admission stage. Having regard to the manner of disposal, nature of this inward, notice to an official respondent is not necessary for disposal. The case of the petitioner in brief is that respondent 5 and 6 are interfering in civil disputes by calling the petitioner to the